In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map using Scribble Maps. You can use the tutorial with Scribble Maps Free and Scribble Maps Pro subscriptions. Let's get started. To create some shapes, you've got a lot of options to choose from. For this video, I'll start with the Rectangle tool. You can find that in the top left menu bar. Once selected, you can click and drag to create the rectangle or square of your choice. Next to the Rectangle tool is the Circle tool. Click on the map and drag out from the center point of the circle. These predefined shapes allow you to quickly mark up any map. To create a custom shape, click on the Polygon tool. Then click to place each vertex that makes up the custom shape on your map. To finish the polygon, simply double-click on the final vertex. To reposition and move your map view, click on the Hand tool. Click and drag anywhere on the map, even over polygons, to reposition your map. You can start to edit the shapes, lines, markers, and any other object on a map by using the Edit Measure tool. You can click and drag a vertex into its new position, move an entire object, as well as hover over a polygon or a line to see the measurements and coordinates available. As you're editing these objects on the map, you may want to delete them. Click the Delete tool and click Objects in the map to delete them. Here, I'm deleting a polygon fill, a line boundary, and some vertices on a polygon. You can now freehand erase a polygon to create custom shapes and designs for more accurate maps. To change the color of lines and polygons on your map, select the Fill Change Color tool. This tool will allow you to change the color and the style of polygons and lines. Click on the Fill Color icon on the far left to change the color and opacity of the overlays, and click on the pencil icon next to it to change the color and opacity of line overlays. I'll select from some predefined colors to add a fill to the square, change the color of the circle, and change the line style of the square and triangle. To change the line style, you can change the thickness of the line by clicking the arrows to increase or decrease the size. Change the style of the line with the drop-down menu and then click on the line on the map you wish to change. Once you're happy with your map, you can save it by clicking on the top left menu button and selecting the green Save icon. In the Save Map window, you'll find your map's custom map ID, a randomly generated ID that you can import and share with other colleagues to give them access to your map data. You can also add a password to your map here. You can save your map as a public, unlisted, secure, or an encrypted map. Scribble Maps free users can only save public maps. Add a title and description and click Save Map to save your map to your account. Once it's saved, the Map Saved window will appear. Here you can copy the map ID, the share link, post it to social media, or embed it on your website. Let's copy and paste the share link into a new tab. Here you can see that your map is live, exactly how we made it, and it's ready for the world. Lastly, I'll show you how to load the map we just created. Back on the map editor, click on Continue Working. Then click on Menu and select New Map button. You now have a new map with a new map ID to work with. To load our map back, click on Menu and select Your Maps. Here you'll find all your maps created while logged into your account. Find the map file you wish to work on and click it. You can then load it by clicking the large blue button or by loading a previous session. Click Load and you will see your map appear, ready to be worked on again.